Hello students, be ready for maths class. I am Jayesh Patel. Hope you all are well and doing your study properly. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 15th, Visualizing Solid Shape. But before starting exercise, let's see some important notes on visualizing solid shape. Notes on Chapter 15th, Visualizing Solid Shapes. Plane or two-dimensional figure have only length and breadth and they lie in a single plane, whereas three-dimensional solids have length, breadth and height and they do not lie entirely on a plane. The flat surfaces that form skin of solid are called its faces. The line segments that form the skeleton are called edges and vertices. Where the edges meet each other are called vertices. All two-dimensional figures can be identified as the faces of three-dimensional solid shapes. The net of three-dimensional solid is a two-dimensional skeleton outline, which when folded result in the three-dimensional shape. Solid shapes can be drawn on a flat surface, which is known as the two-dimensional representation of a three-dimensional solid. Sketches of a solid are two types, oblique and isometric. Oblique sketches are drawn on a squared paper. They do not have exact length but still convey all the significant aspects of the appearance of a solid. Isometric sketches are drawn on dotted or isometric sheets and have the exact measurement of a solid. Now, viewing the different sections of solids, three-dimensional objects are solids, have length, breadth and height and look different from various locations. Sections of a solid can be viewed in a number of ways. Visualizing a solid helps to analyze or see the hidden part of the solid. A solid can be viewed from different angles. Viewing a solid from front, side and top are three most common ways of viewing the solids. Cutting or slicing a solid with the result in its cross section, which is also one way of viewing the section of a solid. Observing the two-dimensional shadow of a three-dimensional solid is also a method of viewing a solid. Shadow of a solids are of different sizes depending on the position of the solid and the position of the source of light.